Welcome to Canning with a Purpose. Today we are going to be talking about making your own spice blends. And of course I have my personal lists here. I'll go over the list that I have that I like to use. Mixed pickling spice. I do 2 tablespoons yellow mustard seeds, 2 teaspoons whole allspice, 2 teaspoons coriander, 2 teaspoons of dill seed, 2 teaspoons of whole black pepper. So the peppercorns is what you want to use for that. 2 bay leaves, you want those crumbled up. You want to keep this in a cool, dark place. In a container, you use a coffee can, a mason jar, and just place it in the closet. If you have a closet that you can use for canning storage. The other pickling spice I found online: 2 tablespoons whole mustard seed, 1 tablespoon whole allspice berries, 2 teaspoons whole coriander seed, 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon ground ginger, 2 bay leaves crumbled, 2 cinnamon sticks broken half or broken pieces, and 6 whole cloves. So you want to do all this together and then add it into your canning jars as much as the recipe tells you to do. The blend chart I found on Panera Farm and Home. Let's start with basic blend: salt, sugar, turmeric, garlic, onion powder, black peppercorn, crushed red pepper flakes, and dill seed are essential to any pickling spice blend. You want to do 2 tablespoons of one of those choices that I just listed, but the dill seed does have to be in there. You want to experiment with additional. You can add more spices to your blend. Will give it unique character based on your taste and preference. Allspice, you do cinnamon sticks too. Of course, you're going to break those up. Celery seed, mustard seed, coriander. Only 2 bay leaves. You're going to want those broke up too because they're very strong. So you don't want to do more than 2. If you like a weaker taste for the bay leaves, you can use 1. Ground ginger, fennel seed. You're going to use 1 teaspoon of anything. Third thing is create your own signature recipe. Asserting a basic blend with a specific flavor profile allows you to develop your own signature pickle. You can use hot and smoky chipotle, fiery and exotic curry, sweet and mild star, and aromatic. You're going to want 1 teaspoon of one of those that I listed, and I will post the chart at the end of this video so that way you can see it for yourself. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you. If you enjoy the outdoors as much as we do, feel free to head over and check out Nature's Wild Playground, our other YouTube channel. We do trapping, hunting, fishing, camping, bushcraft, foraging,